Today's video, let's talk about how to activate follow button on Facebook. By default, you wouldn't have the follow button on your public profile on Facebook. So if you want to add in for yourself, then make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you the process of successfully adding it. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. First of all, let's head over to Facebook. From your Facebook, you just need to open up your profile section of your Facebook. So tap on the profile icon on the top left. From your profile section, you can see this interface. You just need to tap on the three-dot line that you see besides View Tools. And inside of this option, if you tap on View As, you can see the follow button is activated on my profile. Now to simply activate it, you just need to tap on Turn Professional Mode On. It says turn off for mine because I've already turned it on for mine. So you just need to tap on Turn On Professional Mode. And when you come back to the screen again, and when you tap on View As, this is the way other people see your profile on Facebook, and this follow button will be successfully added to your Facebook profile also. So the professional mode, for those of you who don't know, is a way that you can monetize your Facebook through uploading Facebook Reels and uploading other videos, long form videos to Facebook. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.